What's up, everyone? So we're gonna go ahead and tint exhaust tips. We're gonna do a chrome delete using the VHT Nightshade. I did that. It comes out glossy look and it looks amazing. It's way better than PLASTIDIP. So the link in description is below for this, and then also. So I'm gonna get to it, and then let's see how it looks once it's done. Right now it's just chrome. It looks ugly. We don't like chrome.
Nobody likes chrome.
Chrome is ugly. So we're gonna get chrome delete done on this one. Alright, so it's all prepped up and we're about to go on our first coating. And you always want to go light on the first coating so you don't have drips coming down. And yeah. Alright, so we're doing a second coat. There you go. Now we wait. Alright, so here are the results. That's how it looked. We did about 6 coatings. The last coating was like a solid coating, a heavy one. But yeah, chrome delete's gone. Chrome is all gone. Looks a lot better. See? Alright, thanks for watching.